Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Onyinye Ude, and if today is your first time of seeing my video, then you are welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you another way you can
Today we're making a
your
delicious
cabbage. We are going to
meal.
make polished cabbage
cuisine.
rolls.
Cabbage rolls.
Let's get started.
As I said, so this is our cabbage. The first thing to do is to blanch the cabbage. We are going to boil it a little so that it will soften and not break when you are rolling it. Alright? And here is our minced meat. I'm going to run my knife through it one more time to make it finer before using it. Alright? I'll be introducing other ingredients as we go on with the cooking. Let's get started. Right now, our cabbage is washed and I also removed the outer layers. Okay, you have to wash your vegetables before using them. So what I'm going to do is to remove the core. Okay, so we are going to remove this part. This recipe is inspired by Jenny Kane Cook. Thank you so much for that wonderful Polish recipe. So we remove this, okay? Already I am boiling water. We're going to put it in the boiling water and blanch it, okay? Let's get started. You need a pot that is deep, okay? Alright, we are going to let it boil, okay, for a while. Let's give it 2 minutes, then we get it out, okay? Okay, it's been cooking for 2 minutes. Okay, we are going to remove it from the water, but you don't have to throw the water away because you can still use it because it may not cook through, okay? And you'll be forced to go back and reuse the water, okay? So I'm going to remove it. So I'm going to use this knife. All right. This is my safest means of removing it from the water. Okay. Use this one. This was a little tough, so I have to put it back. That's why I did not throw away the hot water. All right. So this is what you do, okay, to make it smooth. I'm going to trim off this part. All right. Trim it off. So flatten it. So now we have our onions nicely sauteed, caramelized. I'm going to off the stove and we'll let this cool, okay, before using it. All right. So here we have our minced meat. As I said before, I'm going to run my knife through it once more. I want it finer even when it's cooked, so that it will not be like coarse. You know how minced meat used to be. So here is our sauteed onions and the garlic and the fresh pepper. We add it to the minced meat. Curry powder, rosemary, paprika, thyme, onion powder. Also we have our washed parboiled long grain rice. So here I have salt and bouillon for seasoning. All right. Then my hands are washed. I'm going to mix everything together. Okay. One more thing to add is our tomato puree. So this is our cabbage leaf. Look at that. Is it placed well?
Yeah. It's a fine if it's
So first you roll it and you pack it in. Alright? Pack it in like this. You roll it. Like that. Look at our cabbage, it's all wrapped, all right, and ready to be cooked. So, but I have this. What I did is that I added some water and tomato puree. So I'm going to add it to help with the cooking. All right. Then I'm going to spread the remaining cabbage leaves on top of our cabbage rolls. And then we bake it for 1 hour 30 minutes. It takes much time, okay? I'm going to put it in the oven and bake it for 1 hour 30 minutes. Let's get started. Look at that. Can you see our cabbage roll? We cooked it for 1 hour and not 30 minutes, okay? And as you can see, it's properly cooked. We are going to allow it to cool down very well before serving it because it's very, very hot. It's still hot. I'm going to remove this. Down. You can even leave it overnight before serving. Look at that. smells so delicious, and we can't wait to taste it.
All right.
We're going to allow it to cool down before we serve it. Look at that delicious stock.
Oh.
So today in our menu is cabbage roll, and look at that. It looks delicious, inviting, and tastes so good. We've come to the end of this video. It's good when you serve it warm, not too hot.
Yeah.
All right, we've come to the end of this video. Look at that. That is good and delicious.
And guys, I'm already eating it. I'm making the minced meat inside. It's really yummy.
It's really yummy. My daughter said it's really yummy, and it tastes so good. Look at that. This is a Polish cuisine. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Please share, subscribe. You can eat this with your rice. You can just enjoy it with sour cream. See you next time. Bye, and remain blessed. Look at that.